AI and the future of accounting, major A.C.C.A. updates for 2025. Hey everyone, big news for all A.C.C.A. members and students out there. AI is shaking up the world of accounting, and if you're in the game, you need to stay ahead. According to A.C.C.A. Global, artificial intelligence is changing the way accountants work. So let's dive into what's new and what it means for you. 1. AI is here. Are you ready? Research from A.C.C.A. shows that AI is no longer the future. It's the present. But here's the catch. AI tools are only as good as the people using them. Accounting professionals need to understand how to use AI responsibly, ensuring that AI-driven decisions are accurate, ethical, and transparent. The latest A.C.C.A. AI Monitor report, Risk and Responsibility, warns that companies pouring money into AI without proper judgment risk major financial losses. AI can be a game changer in finance, but only when used wisely. That's why A.C.C.A. is emphasizing the need for accountants to develop critical thinking and professional judgment when dealing with AI-powered insights. Remember, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to make you better at what you do. Alistair Brisbane, A.C.C.A.'s head of technology research, puts it best. Introducing AI into our work isn't just about using new tools. It's about reshaping how we make decisions. Accountants need to balance AI's analytical power with their professional expertise. 2. A.C.C.A. teams up for leadership training. A.C.C.A. knows that the future of finance isn't just about technical skills. It's about leadership. That's why they've teamed up with the Global Growth Institute to offer the World-Class Manager WCM program. This leadership course, available on A.C.C.A. Learning, features top finance experts and practical management strategies to help you level up your career. 3. Sustainability is the future. Get certified. Want to specialize in sustainability? A.C.C.A. has launched a professional diploma in sustainability, helping accountants navigate new sustainability reporting standards and frameworks. First exam, March 2025. This is your chance to make an impact in the growing world of sustainable finance. A.C.C.A. is celebrating 120 years and now has 252,500 members and 526,000 future members across 180 countries. And here's something historic. For the first time, an all-female leadership team is running the show. 5. New partnership for global accountants. Looking to work internationally? A.C.C.A. has joined forces with HKA, Hong Kong Institute of Certified Public Accountants, making it easier for accountants to gain dual accreditation and access global job opportunities. If you've ever dreamed of working beyond borders, now's your chance. 6. ESG skills training with KPMG. Environmental, social and governance. ESG reporting is the future, and A.C.C.A. is making sure you're ready. Their new ESG skills program with KPMG Singapore will give accountants the tools to meet ESG reporting standards and build sustainable businesses. 7. A.C.A. membership hits 250,000. A.C.C.A.'s global membership has officially surpassed 250,000. That means more accountants worldwide are choosing A.C.C.A. to advance their careers. If you're a student, you're in good company. Conclusion. Are you ready for the future? AI, sustainability, leadership. A.C.C.A. is making sure its members aren't just keeping up, but leading the way. Whether it's training for the AI revolution, ESG reporting, or global opportunities, these updates mean you have more ways than ever to grow and succeed. For more details, visit A.C.A. Global. Stay ahead, stay smart, and let's make 2025 the year of unstoppable accountants.